Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat. I'm Lisa, and today's topic is English conversation practice.
Hey friends, I'm Mark. Are you ready to speak English with us today?
Of course, today we'll practice some simple and useful English sentences for daily life.
Perfect. We'll keep it slow and easy so you can listen and repeat with us.
Let's begin with greetings, the first step in any conversation.
Right. The most common one is hello. But you can also say hi or hey in a friendly way.
Exactly. And when you meet someone for the first time, you can say, "Nice to meet you."
Yes, and if you meet them again, say, good to see you again.
That's polite and friendly.
So, Lisa, how are you today?
I'm great, thanks. And you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking.
See? That's a short and natural English exchange.
Exactly. Let's try another one. At the cafe.
Okay, imagine I'm ordering coffee. Good morning. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
And I, as the waiter, would say, sure. Would you like milk or sugar?
I'd like a little milk, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Nice and easy, right? Everyday conversation is just about being polite and clear.
Yes, and smiling helps too.
Yes, always smile when you speak English.
Now, let's practice small talk. Short, friendly conversations.
Sure. For example, how's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Or, it's raining today.
Exactly. And if you want to sound natural, add a comment, like, I love sunny days.
Or, I don't like rain because I forget my umbrella.
You always forget your umbrella, Lisa.
True. That's why I'm learning. Always check the weather.
Good one. Now, let's move to polite expressions.
Yes, words like please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry.
They make your English sound kind and respectful.
For example, excuse me, where is the bus stop?
It's over there, near the supermarket.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See? That's a simple and polite conversation.
Now, let's practice conversation at work.
Okay, I'll be the new employee. Good morning. I'm Lisa. I'm new here.
Welcome, Lisa. I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mark.
How are you finding the office so far?
It's nice. Everyone is friendly.
That's great. If you need help, just ask.
Thank you. I will.
Perfect. Now, let's practice in a shop.
Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It's $15.
Can I pay by card?
Sure. Please insert your card.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Simple, polite, and useful.
Now, Lisa, let's do a friendly chat, like meeting an old friend.
Oh, wow, Mark. Long time no see.
Hey, Lisa. Yeah, it's been ages.
How have you been?
I've been good. Just busy with work. How about you?
I've been great too, just trying to learn new things.
Nice. We should grab coffee sometime.
Yes, let's do that.
And that's how you make friendly English conversations.
Exactly. The secret is listen, smile, and speak slowly.
Right. And don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes perfect.
Yes, every time you speak, you get better. Let's quickly review what we learned today.
Greetings. Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you. Small talk. How are you? How's the weather? Polite words. Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. Daily situations. At the cafe, at work, at the shop.
Good job, everyone. You can repeat these sentences to practice daily.
If you've enjoyed today's lesson, give us a big thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Chat.
Share this video with your friends who want to learn English.
We'll see you next time with another fun English conversation.
Till then, keep smiling and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.